Alright, so I just got sent the new PlayStation 4 in the mail. Shit, what the fuck? Alright, hold on, let me open this. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here's the PlayStation 4. Oh shit. The fuck? It looks just like a textbook. Oh shit, but it's not a textbook because it says PlayStation 4 on it. Oh shit. What the fuck? I want to see what it comes with. Oh shit. Controller, a cord, another controller. Alright, hold on. Let's see how many. Let me turn it on. Hold on. Alright, you see it? Damn, exclusive. Damn. Never before seen. Alright, hold on. Let me put a disc in there. Oh, what the fuck? You can put more than one disc? Oh shit. Damn, what the fuck? It just slides right in. Oh, what the fuck? Hold. Oh shit, you can put multiple discs. Oh shit. Exclusive, made from China, right there. You see? China Productions. Oh shit. Oh shit. What the fuck? Damn, look at all these games it has. It has soccer. Oh shit. It has an oh bitch. Oh shit. It has everything. Oh shit. I found my disc. Oh shit. Damn. What else would it come with? Oh shit. A free banana. Oh shit. Subscribe. PlayStation 4 exclusive.